friends? Well, it is that time of year again when we are starting to talk about all things making a ton of money in Q4. Now, if this is your first year as a print-on-demand seller, you might not know that the end of the year is typically the most profitable time for almost any print-on-demand seller. And that is really good news for you if you are just getting started, because it's an amazing opportunity to get some momentum and start making a ton of sales before the year is up. Now, in today's video, I have partnered with Printify to bring you guys some of the most profitable products that you should be adding to your shops during the Q4 season, especially to sell around that Christmas holiday. Now, around this time of year, people are starting to really shop a ton more than they would throughout the rest of the year, and they're buying lots of gifts. So these specific products are definitely tailored more towards something that someone would be purchasing around the Christmas or holiday season. Now, before we even jump into those products that I think you should definitely consider selling in your shop, I did want to share one quick tip with you that I think is so valuable. And if you can get this down in your own print-on-demand business, it is going to almost guarantee that you are going to be successful. So one of the biggest pieces of advice that I want to give new sellers is that you should be really trying your hand at sticking with just a couple different product offerings. Now, a lot of people, they go for t-shirts and sweatshirts. Those are some really good sellers, and you could definitely go for just those types of products. But if you choose to venture into one of the products that I'm going to share here with you today, there is a ton of money to be made. However, I want you guys to really focus on, if you are going to try a new product in your shop, to really make an emphasis on getting a lot of listings up for that one particular product. So in your shop, if you only have 2 mugs and you have 1 sweatshirt and you have 5 t-shirts and you have some socks and you have a backpack, it's going to be really hard for you to get that traction that you need by having a lot of listings. So whenever you start thinking about selling a new product that is going to be really profitable, I want you to really stick with making a lot of new products and listings for that one particular item. That way we can almost guarantee that some of those products are going to end up selling when we have enough of them, instead of just trying our hand at a bunch of different things and not sticking with something long enough that's actually going to work. So if any of these products that I'm talking about that would be really good sellers during the holiday season is something you want to try, I would definitely at least try to make 50 or 100 listings for that particular item to really start seeing a lot of success with that. But with that, let's jump right into those products that I definitely think you should consider adding to your shop if you aren't selling any of them already. Now, this first product is especially good around Christmas time, and it is way less common than some of those other products that we see tons of print-on-demand sellers selling. And that is going to be some kind of linen drawstring bag that is specific for Christmas gifts. So around the holiday season, a lot of families, they really like to give things in more unique packaging, things that are going to be reusable and not just paper that is thrown away. So I have seen over the last few years so many of my own friends and people I know going to buying more like reusable, really cute Christmas packaging that they can use year after year or give to their kids or family members to just use. So on Printify, they actually have this fantastic drawstring bag, and you could put some really cute Christmassy sayings in here. You could say something like delivered from the North Pole or from Santa too. Offering personalization with some kind of item like this would just make it an even better seller around Christmas time. These are going to be selling really well. You could do all sorts of things with this. You could cross niches like hobbies or kids' interests with Christmas and make really unique, specific drawstring bags that not everyone else is offering, so that a parent would definitely be willing to pay for something like this before Christmas time. Now, the next product that I think is a fabulous seller really all throughout the year, but especially during the winter months and that holiday season, is something that not a ton of people are venturing into selling, and that is actually selling some kind of apron in your store. Aprons is another thing that makes a fantastic gift for someone that you know who loves to cook. These can be personalized. They can be really niche specific. You can try your hand at making some really fun patterns for aprons, but you can also just reuse some of the t-shirt or sweatshirt artwork that you have already made for items you're selling and repurpose that by putting it on an apron. These still have a lower price point, but they make a fabulous gift for someone that you wouldn't necessarily just want to give a t-shirt. This is very unique and special, and someone would really enjoy getting something like this for the holidays. Now, Printify has some fabulous different all over print aprons that you can pick from. This generic brand one is really nice quality, and it has a pretty good price point that you can still make a really good amount of profit if you do choose to sell this in your store. Now, the next item that I really hope you consider adding to your shop, not just around Q4, but throughout the entire year, because this is a fabulous seller for me, but some people don't like to take the effort to actually sell this in their store, and that is just selling ceramic mugs. So this is just your classic everyday mug, but this still is such a fabulous gift any time of year. There's kind of a trope that it's like anytime you don't know what to get someone, you just buy them a mug and check it off your list. But that is so true. There are so many people in our life that maybe we aren't close enough to know exactly what they want, but everyone loves to either drink tea or coffee or some kind of hot beverage, so you really can't go wrong getting someone a mug, especially if it has something to do with something they love. So maybe that is their career, a hobby, maybe it has something to do with one of their special interests. So especially around the holidays, people are getting their kids' teachers' mugs, they are getting their co-workers' mugs, they are getting people that they interact with in their life that maybe they wouldn't get a bigger gift for a mug, because that is, first of all, a really low cost point, but it's also something really nice that everyone is probably going to use. Now, like a lot of these other products, you do not have to make them Christmas or holiday specific if you are uploading them to your shop around this time of year, because a lot of people are just buying gifts that they know someone would like to give to them as a gift. So definitely consider adding a lot more mugs to your shop if you haven't ventured into this product already. They can be fabulous sellers all throughout the year. Now, Printify has a ton of different mug types, but really just their ceramic mug you can't go wrong with. It is super good quality, and I really haven't found this low of a price point pretty much anywhere else. So you definitely can't beat just this plain ceramic mug. Now, with selling products during Q4, one of the biggest mistakes I see a ton of people making that is leading to them not getting click through and not ending up making a ton of sales is having really bad mock-ups for their photos. Now, it's super tempting when you are selling on a place like Printify, who does provide you some pre-made mock-ups, to just use the ones that they have. However, if you do that, you are going to be doing the exact same thing that hundreds, if not thousands of other people are also doing. So you can actually significantly increase your chances of making a sale by switching out that mock-up to something else. Now, mock-ups really don't have to be super hard or time consuming to make, so I'm super happy to be partnering with Placeit on this segment of the video. Placeit is an all-in-one design and mock-up tool that is such a great resource for print-on-demand sellers. Now, with a subscription to Placeit, you will get access to thousands of different mock-ups that you can use for almost any product you would want to sell. They have fabulous mug mock-ups. They even have things like candle mock-ups, books, journals, bags, t-shirts, sweatshirts, really anything you would want to sell. Placeit has mock-ups that you can use, and they make it super easy to format your mock-up, so you're not going to have to do a lot of extra steps. All you're going to do is just drag and drop your artwork that you created, and they are going to auto format that to the item that you are selling. So it looks really real and natural. You're not going to have to worry about people looking at your item and thinking that it looks kind of fake or off because you're using a mock-up instead of a real person wearing that item. So just by switching out this mock-up, you can see what a huge difference that it made between the auto-generated mock-up that I had before and this one that I made on Placeit with just a few clicks of a button. Another thing I love about Placeit is they are always looking for ways to improve the platform for their users. So due to a lot of requests, they have actually just added a background remover feature that you can use for designs or even creating your own custom mockups for the specific product that you are selling. So I would definitely recommend checking them out down below in the description. Now, the next item you really should consider adding to your shop, especially around Q4, is going to be some kind of ceramic ornament. Now, Printify has a fabulous selection of ceramic ornaments. In fact, I have a whole video here on creating some really amazing personalized designs for ornaments, so make sure you check that out. But again, these have a very low cost point for you, and you can make a really healthy profit margin on each sale of these. And again, ornaments, you don't have to just stick with the classic things like saying like Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and making really Christmassy themed designs. In fact, I think ornaments tend to do a lot better if they are more related to something that someone is passionate about or is associated with them. So maybe you can make career inspired ornaments. So you can make something like a dentist ceramic ornament or ornaments for teachers or occupational therapists. So any way that you can get really specific, maybe something that someone wouldn't just go to Walmart and find off the shelf that is more tailored to them, is going to do really well in a product like this. Now, this next item is one that you might have not even realized that you could sell as a print-on-demand seller, but it is a fabulous seller around the fall and winter seasons, and that is going to be selling print-on-demand candles. So Printify actually has a fabulous selection of some soy-based candles with quite a few different scents. They are really nice, and you have the ability to customize the label any way you want. So this is a really fun thing that you can make maybe a personalized label for, or like I said, you can make something that is really niche specific to someone's career, their hobby, something that they are into. In fact, if you actually do want even more ideas and inspiration with how to really sub-niche and cross-niche different things like holidays with people's hobbies and careers, you can pick up my free cross-niching guide down below in the description. That's going to have over 40,000 different cross-niching ideas for you guys to work with, and can really help getting you going if you are thinking about venturing into one of these other products. But candles, kind of along the same lines as mugs, are a fabulous gift for someone that maybe you aren't as close to, or just someone that you know who really likes candles. It's a simple, affordable gift that you don't have to worry that someone really isn't going to like, because who doesn't like drinking coffee and candles? That's pretty much across the board. Everyone enjoys those kind of things. Now, one of the next items that you definitely should consider adding to your shop if you haven't already, or bulking up if you are starting to sell them but haven't added a lot of products, and that is just going to be a hoodie sweatshirt. Now, t-shirts definitely are the bread and butter of my business, but my second biggest sellers are always going to be hoodies and crew necks. Now, especially around the cooler months, a lot of people still buy t-shirts, but so many more people are looking for things that they can wear out. So that's going to be your crew necks and hoodies. Now, one way that I really love to add these kind of items to my shop is I take a look at all of my different t-shirt designs that have actually made sales, and if anything has sold in a t-shirt form that I haven't yet put on a hoodie, I'm going to automatically just upload a version of that that's on a hoodie. In fact, some shops have really made a name for themselves. They have really become successful just at skipping out on things like t-shirts entirely and only uploading every single design to hoodies, and just making that their one thing that they sell, because the profit margins can be crazy when you get into selling sweatshirts and hoodies. Especially on a site like Etsy, people are really comfortable paying above that $40 and even $50 mark for one single apparel item. So you can get well beyond that $5 profit that I'm always aiming for when I make a sale. Printify, they have a ton of different options for sweatshirts and hoodies. I really like this Gildan 18500 hoodie that they have. It's really thick, heavy, good quality, and the production partner that I typically like to go with is going to be Swift POD. They have a great price point and tons of different colors for this. If you haven't already, make sure you check out Printify and place it down below in the description and create your accounts today. And if you're looking for even more ideas and inspiration for really bulking up your shop in Q4 and making a ton more sales, make sure you watch this video next.